So this is a commission that I just finished up, and this was a commission that I got through my Etsy shop, and this is a post-wedding gift. And if you look really close, you can see a wedding happening here. And I just love all the little people and all the different colors I got to use. And I just love all that blue. So this was a really fun project, and as much as I love painting, I think maybe my favorite part of painting is the untaping. So I thought I would make a short video of that because I feel like once you remove the tape, that really makes the painting complete. It goes from being a work in progress to a finished masterpiece. Whoops. You have to be really careful when you remove the tape. Even with this painter's tape, which isn't as sticky as regular masking tape, you still just want to, it's better to be safe than sorry, that's all I'm saying. And you need to make sure that your painting is very dry when you remove it so that the paper isn't soft and soggy. So here it is. This is 11 inches by 14 inches, and this was just a really fun and challenging project. Lots of little tiny details in there. So I thought I would just share that really quick. Hope that you're having a great day.